Hello everyone, welcome to my 100th episode of Crypto Corner, my video podcast where I discuss everything related to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin in particular, and blockchain technology. So today we have a few very good news that I'm gonna go through, and we have to pick winners of my Twitter airdrop giveaway. 5 winners are going to be receiving 200 tokens, Cobo Vault tokens. So this is what's happening in this episode. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. But first, before I start, let me say thank you to the sponsors of this video, Cobo Vault. This is a brand new community-driven lending platform. It's based in Ohio, USA, and it is a DeFi project that aims to decentralize the borrowing and the lending industry with the use of blockchain technology and smart contract-based automated service. They aim to bring together borrowers into a fair, democratic voting community in order to get any size loan without the oversight of a bank. They have a public sale of their native token, which is now open, and you can find all the details about it on their website. Just navigate to Services, Token Sale. You can also earn some of these tokens for free by joining their community and taking part in the many social media challenges that are currently on offer. The token is already on the exchanges. It is on Bancor Exchange, on Uniswap, it is on CoinPaprika and Mooniswap decentralized exchanges. You can find out more by going to their website, cobotland.com, or you can grab the link from the description box below. They are also responsible for the current giveaway that I'm having here on this channel that I announced yesterday. It is ongoing. My YouTube giveaway, 3 winners, 250 tokens each, will be selected next Wednesday. That is, I believe, the 11th of November. Let me just double check the date. Yes, indeed, 11th of November. This is when I'm going to be picking 3 winners of my YouTube giveaway. However, today I have to announce the winners of my Twitter giveaway. 5 winners, 5 people will be receiving 200 tokens each. So this is what I will be doing at the end of the video. First, however, we will be going through the news because we do have some important news to cover. It is my 100th episode, and I couldn't pick a better time to be doing this than today because Bitcoin actually just broke the 14,500 for the first time since 2018. CoinDesk is reporting on this, and it is quite a significant price level. Now, in my previous videos, I have been talking about a correction coming. In my last video yesterday, actually, we saw that we printed a double top, and this wasn't really looking very bullish for Bitcoin. So I've been actually bearish for Bitcoin in the last couple of weeks. I've been expecting a correction. However, with the whole political uncertainty and economical collapses and things like that, Bitcoin is actually printing new highs. It seems that it's gaining the confidence of the investors and the traders as well. And many are now reporting on that news and calling for Bitcoin, going to 15 to 16,000, which I believe is quite achievable and possible now that we broke the 14,000 properly, because we tried to break the 14K twice and it was really brief and it didn't really stay. The resistance was really strong, and we weren't able to properly break above the 14K. Now that we went to 14K, 14 and a half, we will probably stay above the 14,000, and if we stay above the 14,000 for a few days at least, this is a good sign. Now, the Bitcoinist is actually warning that we are still possibly going to see a not only a consolidation but even a drop, and this coincides with my own technical analysis and my personal opinion that we are due to see a correction in Bitcoin. However, right now, this week, I'm actually seeing that Bitcoin will probably challenge the 15,000 resistance, and we will see if it's gonna break it. I feel that it will be weak and that it will probably not be able to break it, and eventually I think that we will be going towards the 13 and the 12,000 support to actually retest that support, because this climb right now was a little too fast, and it didn't really go and retest the support, and typically we have to retest this support. Another reason for Bitcoin to be rallying right now, as the Bitcoinist is pointing out, is the fact that Britain is considering negative interest rates, and of course this is for investors and for people who have some money put aside. This is not good news, so they suspect that people are turning to crypto as a safe haven. Crypto has decoupled from the stock market. It was kind of going hand in hand with the S&P 500 for quite some time, and it's no longer the case. Now we are seeing that S&P 500 was going down while Bitcoin was going up. So it could be that we are seeing a proper bull run right now, and still corrections are inevitable and they have to happen. In other news, Brave browser has now 20 million active monthly users. Well, this is big news for Brave browser. You know that this is my browser of choice. I'm using Brave, and I'm actually quite happy to see positive news for Brave browser. I want to see this grow and grow and grow, because it is actually a really good tool. And if you're not using Brave browser yet, find out my link in the description box. Give it a try. It is literally the same as Chrome, with some better features, of course, but it is based on the Chrome browser. So even with extensions and stuff like that, you can get all of the extensions that you're already using with Chrome. You can get them on Brave. You can also earn Brave rewards by, you know, if you are visiting websites that have advertising. Typically Brave blocks advertising, but you can allow certain websites to display adverts, and this way you will be earning BAT. BAT is the native token of Brave. So if you're not yet using Brave browser, this is even more of a reason for you to go and check it out. It is lighter than Chrome, meaning that it doesn't really use that much RAM as Chrome or Safari or other browsers. It is also faster because of that, and it typically blocks unnecessary cookies. You can also, as soon as you exit the website, it will delete your cookies, so it's not going to be storing them unless you specify to store certain cookies. It is a far more privacy-oriented browser than any of the other browsers that I've been using. So I'm really happy with Brave, and I'm glad to see they also have integrated buttons for Binance and other exchanges if you want to be using it directly from your browser. So go and check it out. Now, the other very good news, and I'm going quite briefly through the news today because I don't really want to make this a really long video. I know it's my 100th episode, but I can't really make it a 40-minute or something like that episode. I know that you guys don't really like to watch very long videos. This is why I'm quickly skipping through the news. Ethereum has a really good news today. It broke the $400 price, which was a strong resistance for it, and now that that this has happened, people are calling it for going towards the 425 resistance. It's actually the fees of Ethereum are going down, which is good news as well. This is because of DeFi markets are kind of declining, and pretty much all of the altcoins markets are declining, but DeFi in particular is in decline right now, and this is what's causing the fees for Ethereum to also go down, which is good news for Ethereum users because the Ethereum 2.0 is actually starting very soon, and this has been in the making for a long time. Everyone's been talking about it, and it will involve staking as well. Ethereum is moving to proof of stake. Many people are eager to start staking Ethereum, including myself, because we actually have, Ethereum, quite a stash of it for over the years. I've been accumulating. Ethereum is one of the few coins that I'm holding longer term. Just like Bitcoin, I don't really hold altcoins long term, but Ethereum is the second biggest altcoin. This is why it's actually in my portfolio for the long term. So yeah, many people are calling for Ethereum now to go above the 420 price range, which is good news. And now let's talk a little bit more about Ethereum 2.0. This is by the Cointelegraph. They say today's launch of the deposit contract introduced the ability for users to deposit 32 Ether required to participate in the staking. Ethereum 2.0's beacon chain Genesis will take place on December the 1st if at least 16,384 deposits of 32 Ethereum each are received. This is a total of 524,228 Ethereum, or just about $200 million worth. Hours after the news was published, the number of Ethereum addresses holding at least 32 Ethereum hit an all-time high of 126,852 addresses. Prior to the latest rise, this figure has hovered around 123,000 since June this year, with fluctuations only in the hundreds of addresses. This means that around 13% of all addresses currently holding more than 32 Ether will need to participate in order to launch staking. Around 13%, and I'm pretty sure that out of all of these addresses, way more than 13% will actually take part. So this is briefly the news of the day. Now let's move on to the giveaways. First of all, let me quickly say congratulations to the 3 winners from the yesterday's giveaway that I announced. This was my YouTube giveaway from last week, and I selected 3 winners yesterday, so I'm still waiting for you guys to contact me. Anki Sharma was the first winner, Dot and Streak was the second one, and Khaliza Hadi is the third one. So you guys need to contact me via YouTube. I asked you to just leave a comment below one of your comments on my video so that I can get your email address, and then I will send you an email with the instructions on how to claim your airdrop. You know what you need to do in order to get that airdrop directly into Ethereum wallet address. Basically, you will need to provide your Ethereum wallet address, and it has to be a wallet that supports all the ERC20 tokens, so something like MetaMask or my Ether wallet or mycrypto.com. So congratulations guys, I'm waiting for you to contact me. Don't forget to do that very soon, because otherwise I will have to be selecting new winners, and we don't really want to do that, do we? Okay, now moving on to announcing the winners of my Twitter challenge. So this is the Twitter challenge that I announced on Monday, and it was running until yesterday. So today I'm gonna pick 5 winners. We have 5 winners here, 200 tokens each. Now, let's see. We have 68 entries are qualified out of 71. We have 5 winners. And now let's start the drawing. There we go. So we have the 5 entries are coming. Let me just see how we can display them like that. Okay, so the first winner, Ace Purnam. Second winner, Aries Fiona. Let me just make this larger so that you can see it. Third winner, Riemann 9731. Fourth winner, Kate _CH. And the last one is Feryani Nazi. Okay, well, congratulations to the winners. You are the 5 winners of this challenge. 200 tokens each you will be receiving. So these are the winners. Ace _Purnam is first. Aries Fiona second. Riemann 9731 is the third. Kate _CH is the fourth. And Feryani Nazih is the 5th winner. Okay, so you guys need to contact me, you need to message me or tweet to me or anything to establish contact, and then I will explain to you how to get your tokens. Now, this was my Twitter challenge. Congratulations to the winners. My YouTube challenge, if you didn't win here, my YouTube challenge is still ongoing. Don't forget, I have 3 winners, 250 tokens each, that will be announced next Wednesday. Make sure that you comment here or my previous video or my next video, videos that are from now all the way until next Wednesday. Comment, like, and make sure that you're also a subscriber. This is everything that you need to do in order to participate in this giveaway. Also, before I leave, let me just quickly plug in my book here. You know, I published a book called Learn Crypto. This is my book that has everything, all of my experience, everything that I know about cryptocurrencies over the last 5 years since I started in 2015. I first invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and started adding other altcoins to my crypto portfolio, and I started trading as well. So all of my experience, everything that I know about cryptocurrencies is in the book. If you are new to cryptocurrencies, if you're going to be investing in cryptocurrencies, you need to understand what they are. You need to know the tools that you're investing in. This asset class is still very new, so you need to understand everything about it in order to be successful at investing in it. Also, you need to know when it's a good time to sell or when it's not a good time to sell. Many people actually start up buying it when they first hear about something, they rush into buying it, and then the prices drop, they get scared, they sell at a loss. This is not what I want you to do. I'm sharing all of my mistakes as well so that you can avoid them. And I'm also explaining the differences between the different coins and tokens and how to build a healthy crypto portfolio, how to be successful at investing in cryptocurrencies. So if you want to know all of these secrets, all of my mistakes and everything that I've done so that you don't repeat these mistakes, grab the book. It is cheaper on my website than it is on Amazon. That's why I'm sharing the link to my website in the description box. Just check it out and make sure that you grab your copy. This is everything from me today. Thanks for watching until the end, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.